What up? What up?
The business to choose who's going to be there for me and who's always been there for me. Get people back at the same time. It doesn't two drivers to come back. It doesn't make sense.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we stay with JJ right here. I'm going to be training him. Brand new. Brand spanking new. Yes, sir. We have Kaneohe today, so go check him out. Yes, sir. Use them long legs. Yes, sir. JJ in the house. Alrighty. Currently training JJ at the moment. We stay in Kaneohe. 42 stops, 45 stops we have today. And yeah, got some good stuff going on. Hope you guys enjoy the views. Yep, stay training. Beautiful day today, people. Don't forget to get your breaks. Take them all. Also to eat your meals. Because meal time is very important, people. You cannot just, skip your meal. You gotta eat meals. Bro, we stay at a nice place over there. So crazy. I swear to God, these places are so hidden here in Kaneohe side. Wow, beautiful. If I had more time to go to the pier and check out the view of the ocean, I would. It's just beautiful out here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call the retired home. Retired homes. Beautiful. So we came to our last stop at after a rescue. Did a rescue, took like 25 packages, came to our last stop. This is it. Check this view out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is the end of the night. Just want to give a big shout out to all the new drivers that joined Baba Transportation here at Amazon. Just want to tell you guys welcome. I'm sure everybody in the team welcomes you guys. And yeah, come and have fun. And in the meantime, y'all have a good night.